Bittorrent token holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. This is the big video. This is the big news for all Bittorrent token holders, because now it is time. You know what, today is the first day of the July month. On the first day of the July month, the changes occur in the Bittorrent token as negative, my friends. For short time, my friends, just for short time, the price of BTT token is fast down, my friends. That's not a big loss, my friends. And a lot of people, you know what, when a lot of people saw the small falls occur in the BTT token, so they decide to sell. No, my friends, don't do this mistake. Absolutely, every cryptocurrency is faster for some time, my friends, and after some period of time, the prices will again positive, my friends. So this does not mean that you decide to sell, my friends. Please hold buy more and more Bittorrent token, my friends. Anyways, this video is very special for the short-term investors, so keep watching this video, short-term investor, and please also subscribe my channel for more news and update videos, my friends. So now it is time, my friends, it is time the changes of this Bittorrent token is negative. So this is a big opportunity for all short-term investors to buy more and more Bittorrent token, my friends. Approximately a 10,000 or 1,000 buy Bittorrent token is time, my friends, because now it is time the price of the BTT token is very low. So buy Bittorrent on the low price and sell Bittorrent token on the high price in the last of the July month. So absolutely, if you do like that, so there is no doubt, so you will get absolutely a good amount of profit in the last of July month. You have to only hold for 28 days, my friends, and these 29 days, I hope you will get good amount of profit. Anyways, what is your opinion about that? Please also tell me in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and update videos, my friends.